We are now in a foggy Imabari, Ehime. We're on our way to Onamichi. It's a 70-kilometer ride from here. The weather is not sunny, obviously, but we're leaving now at 7:30. So 7:30 Japan time. So that's about 6:30 in the morning sa Philippines. Yeah, wish us luck. Look at... There's this blue line. And this blue line is your guide. So even without GPS, you can make it to Onamichi, Hiroshima. Just follow the blue line. Now entering the main entrance of the Shimanami Kaido. And you will see separate yung motorbike sa pedestrian and cyclist. And this one is exclusively for cyclists. Yahoo! Keep left. See that? Keep left. Okay. Medyo nakakalula. Because now we're up here. Wala scenery. Meron naman ah. Oh. Silent Hill scenery. I'm hoping that when we leave the prefecture, it's gonna be a more fair weather. This is the Kuroshima Kaikyo Bridge, and it's the longest bridge in the Shimanami Kaido route. And when I say longest, it's 4 kilometers long. So 4 kilometers of wind and fog on a bridge. Alam niyo, sa sobrang safe dito, walang biro kahit bata, okay lang mag-ride dito. Hey! Nandito pa rin kami sa bridge. Ang layo! We just finished crossing Island 1, which is Omishima. And now, we are going to the next island, island number 2, Hakata. Hakata Island. Hopefully makahanap kami ng food there. Kasi it's been like an hour and a half. Pero alam ko the stores around here, I mean restaurants, cafe, open at 10. So sana may mahanap kami. Gulat na siya. Nasa Hakata Island tayo. This one? Okay. Pero Hakata Station sa Fukuoka yun.
Akala niya Hakata.
Hakata dito. Funny. Pero siya lang may alam nun. Tiga dito siya eh. We just stopped at a CR station right after we reached Hakata Island. Yun nga lang, sa female na CR, biro mo 20 kilometers sa kami nag-bike. Yung CR ng female, you have to squat. So, kinakailangan mag-stretch muna kayo bago mag-start. Pero, okay naman. Kinaya naman. Tsaka, best of all, may tissue. Yun. So, we'll try to find a place to eat. I think somewhere there may mga stalls and we'll try to find breakfast. Oshima. Oshima. Now we're on our pang-ilan na pang island. We're now at Omishima Island. So ito yung bridge coming from Hakata. So after the Omishima, this is still part of Ehime. So once we cross the bridge going to Ikuchi Island, after this is going to be part of Hiroshima. So nasa Hiroshima na kami. Yay! Pero malayo pa. After Ikuchi Island, there's still Inoshima. And then another one. And then we take a ferry. So mahaba-haba pa.
We take a ferry?
Yeah.
We take
A 5-minute ferry. Yeah. Right before we go to the next island, there's this spot called Cyclist Sanctuary. So dito, you can take a rest, ang dami kainan, of course, CR everywhere. And you can have your photo here. Ang ganda oh. What I like about our ride, ano siya, it's the week before the Golden Week, which means magiging crowded dito by the Golden Week. Yun nga lang, risky yung weather. But you just have to be prepared. So far, lumilinaw na oh. You can see from afar na. So hindi namin alam kung nasaan yung entrance ito. But there's a pedestrian entrance, which means we can go here. Tama? What if I just carry it? Pinagbabawal na technique. Oh, kasha! So, yung kaninang blue line, there must be a way going here. Yung kaninang blue line. A bridge going to, yeah, as I've said a while ago, Ikuchi Island. It's the island that supplies Japan most of its lemons and oranges, the citrus products. This is known as the lemon monster. Why lemon? We are now at Ikuchi Island, and it is known as the birthplace of lemons, the lemons of Japan. So nandito yung pinakamasarap nilang citrus products. So yung mga high grade, yung mga 5-star citrus nila, dito nang gagaling. Sabi ka ng friend namin ni si Carl, iba daw yung orange juice ng 7-Eleven dito kasi galing sa citrus ng Ikuchi Island. Kasi malapit lang Ikuchi sa Ehime. Or, wait, Ikuchi is already part of Hiroshima. Pero katabi lang, just right across. Yan! And that's the bridge of the Tatara Bridge. Okay. Let's see kung makahanap tayo dito ng mga citrus products. See? There's a lemon by the bench. A gigantic lemon. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki. Ito yung kamay ko ah. Pero ano lang siya, hindi siya totoo. Okay, Alfred. Basa!
let's see. What do you call this? The national lemon. Okay. So it's a symbol of this place being like the national lemon producer.
Yes. Basta for some reason, siguro yung island nila, yung soil nila produces really delicious lemons
really
and,
nice
and oranges. So, yon. Sa swerte ng Ikuchi. So, Ikuchi pa tayo. Ikuchi pa tayo sa island. We're here at Ikuchi. Pero, gutom na si Arnold. So, luckily we found this place, Tatiche de Tuca. And they have pasta, they have sandwich and sundaes. So you can order ko sandwich and sundaes. It's a little place na it's actually very cozy. So tama-tama kasi parang uulan din. And it's really cold outside. Windy and cold yun. Siguro mga 17 degrees, ganun. May kapitbahay. Wow, look at this. This is a ham sandwich. And here's their special dessert. Of course, kinuha ko yung sundae na may special orange sauce or what do you call that? Syrup. Siyempre, yung orange nila yung fried dito. So, let's try later. We are going to the Cave of 1,000 Buddhas here at Ikuchi Island. Here it is.
This one.
It's on the right side of this temple. So we got 1,000 Buddhas here. It's all in here. this is some sort of a punishment,
yes,
right?
sort of tortures. He looks like the emperor.
Like, up to the top of the cave. Like, oh. Super taas siya. This bridge goes to the island of Inoshima. Okay, the second to the last. We're about siguro mga 23 kilometers away from Onomichi. Ikuchi Bridge. Okay. Actually, ang mahirap lang dito talaga yung yung going up the bridge, but the gradient is not that high, parang 3 degrees, and they made it that way para nga naman hindi ganun ka steep. Kahit 3 degrees lang ang gradient, after a while pagod ka na rin eh. So medyo nagre-require ng intermediate skill when you do this, or get an e-bike. I think that's the best. Wait, keep left. At saka para dumami rin ang tourism dito. What is this? Okay, next, Ikuchi Bridge ba tawag dito? Okay, this bridge connects us from Ikuchi to Inoshima. Okay, so yun nga, like what I said a while ago, second to the last island after Inoshima is Mukaishima, and then we ride a ferry to Onomichi. So Inoshima, puro ports. Okay. Dinosaur. Break lang. Let's grab a bite. About to cross the Inoshima Bridge, and this is the last bridge going to the last island. Actually, dapat may isa pang bridge eh, pero there's no bridge. Oh, pedestrian. Dito actually bubong eh. This is the highway for the cars up here. Tapos mga yan, runners, pedestrians and cyclists, and motorcycles under like 200cc, 180cc. Yon, pwedeng dumaan dito. Electric bikes, yes, they can pass here. But if you're a bigger bike, you have to be up there. Finally, ang haba rin ah. Okay, careful. Follow the arrow. Careful. We are now in Mukaishima, the final island before we reach Onomichi. Ito na naman, beach na naman. Mukhang paikot-ikot, pero no, we're on a different island. So I can't wait to have something warm, because wala eh, umuulan lang the whole time. Minsan humihinto pero sandali lang. Mukhang naabutan kami nung rain ng Ehime. Ayan, kanina na andyan kami. So we arrived here at the port. This is the last transfer going to Onomichi. I remember there's an anime like this. All cars, all bikes are out. Oh, not all cars. This one cutie car out, and then we hop in. Sugoi! So where do we place our bikes? We just stay here? Oh, it's moving now. Just like that. Walang pasahero, and it's gonna go pag wala ng passenger. Maikling ride lang to kasi we just need to reach that side. That's so cool. So later again, just enjoy the view. Yeah. Just like that. Sobrang ikli. I think it's not even 5 minutes. Baka 3 minutes lang. And this is so nice kasi nagagamit ng students who go to school like every day. Okay, not gonna show their faces. I'm just gonna go down. Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, so go down like here. That's it. That's about it. We're here. We're in Onomichi. I'm using my skill as a triathlete. See that? It's moving on its own. Yep. We're here. Ilang kilometers tayo total? 80! Budol kami dun ah. Supposed to be 70. Okay, let's find the hotel first.